The plan is to get 16 aircrafts, out of which 8 is already in Vadodara. This is a multi-role aircraft which can be used for medevac, it can be used for tactical lift, it can be used for carrying load and VIP commitments. As of now, it is cleared for VIP commitments. Para will be mostly operational by March, and we have also landed in forward areas. This aircraft can carry up to 49 troops. It can carry up to 70 troops in extended configuration, 70 passengers, and in VIP configuration, it can have 2 double VIP seats and be commitments. Since AVRO has been outdated and it's in the mode of phasing out, C295 will be replacing AVRO in that case. And AN32 compared to N32, which has a payload of 5 tons, this can carry 9 tons. And it has a fuel capacity of almost 6 tons. This aircraft can fly for 11 hours. If you consider MATO, then it can fly for 9 hours. So this will